Alright, what's up, y'all? Okay, we're gonna be tiering people today for bridge. These are all the bridge mains, pretty much all like the known people, and like, yeah. If you're not on this list, you kind of suck. Anyways, a lot of these people I actually have never played with or just like don't know. So, um, if I don't know them, I'm gonna let you guys know and put them for who. That doesn't mean they're bad. That doesn't mean, yeah, whatever. Anyways, so the who, this just doesn't exist. Like, this is just who. This is not a tier. Like, this means I don't know who they are. Cheater is bad. Anyways, okay. Absorptive is decent. I don't know if he's not an A. He's a B. He's very good at PvP. Andrew is decent. Yeah. Apple Pies is washed. Atron Client is... I don't even know if I know him well enough to say anything about him. Yeah, I don't know enough. Okay. Putting... Oh, wait, shoot. Okay. Putting Asda in B, because he wins a lot. However, we all know why he wins a lot. Okay, let's go. Badamja is, yeah, he's an A tier. Badamja just, he's like, I don't know, he's got some good game sense and he's decent enough at PvP to where it doesn't matter, so, yeah. Connor versus Game. Should I C or D? What do y'all think? I'm leaving him at C for now. Might move him. DeFafster, sorry, bro. Daniel, sorry, bro. I don't know this person. I don't know this person. I don't know them well enough. Like, I probably shouldn't tier them. Yeah, I'm not gonna tier them. Embrace. Embrace is a C. I don't even wanna... Who? Not FP. Okay, well, everyone, yeah. Flexi, do I put him where he should go, or do I put him where... Flexi's really good, by the way. If you guys didn't know that, Flexi's good. I don't know them. Goat rank is... Yeah. There we go. Don't know them. No, wait, didn't even... Well, I don't know them either, actually, so that's nice. Don't know them. Have they ever even played... Like, who are these people? What? Oh, he, First of all... He... We're gonna put him on D. We're not gonna put him at F. I-word... This is bad. Like, I need to put somebody at F and... Okay, he's a low D. He's a low D. Yeah. Anyway. Jers? Do I even? So this? I don't know who that is. Well, I do, but don't worry about it. Anyways. I'm thinking, yeah, that's fine. Dude, who is that? Like, not Lennon. Lennon is okay. Yeah. Matthew GG. I haven't played with him in so long. Dude, should I even tier him? Like, I haven't played with him in so long. Nah, we're not gonna. Okay, come on. My boy. Haven't played with him in a while either. He's good. I don't know if he's quite a B. He's a high C. He's a high C, yeah. Or is he? He might be a B. I don't know. Nert. Do I? Yeah. I've only played with him like maybe once. No proof GG, bye. I don't know you. Oh, Matthew? Anyway, Osks is... He's a good C tier. Paris is a boy and is a B tier. Pig rank is... Pig rank's he's a good player. I'm gonna put him at C. If I could, that would be great. Where am I putting him at C though? I'm gonna put him right there. Yeah. Pixel Master, my boy. I think he's okay. He's not bad. He's on leaderboards. There we go. Now, this guy, he's insane. Like, I can't even get over it. He's just insane. So, no, I'm just playing. What would I rank myself? Somewhere in C, probably. I would put myself right. No, I'm better than Mypo. Sorry, Mypo. Love you. Yeah. These people are all better than me. These people are... Anybody here better than me right here? No. Alright. Sorry. Pup. Sorry, bro. Wait, where did you go? Oh. Ray Dragonfly. First of all, I don't even like this dude, so... Red Arch. So... There's that. I don't think I've ever played with that person. Rev, my boy. He's a good bypasser, so I'm gonna put him right above me, actually. Yeah, he's better than me. I'll give him that. Ryluz. I feel like I know that person, but I don't at the same time. Sandicite. Well, like, the thing is, though, if I don't know you, you're... If I don't know you, there's a good chance that you're somewhere over here. Yeah. Anyways, Smee is underrated AF. That dude, he, I don't know if it's his ping, I don't know what it is, but that dude is, that dude makes it work. Let's see. 7 is gonna be C. B. Yeah. No. Yeah. Right there. Ah, perfect. Slim it. Nope, not doing it. Sorry, guys. Where did I put him? Where is he? Okay, he's right there. There's no ranking for who, by the way, guys. Anyways. See, this dude right here be good as hell, but he doesn't play 2v2s. He only plays 1v1s. Where am I gonna put him? I'm gonna put him at S, because he is, I'm not gonna lie, like, he destroys me. He's insane. I don't want to rank him. I don't know them. Soup is soup. Soup is soup. Is soup. Soup. There we go. System. Yeah. Maybe a C. Yeah. Game sense, no PvP. Also terrible at 1v1s, but whatever. Anyway. Love you. Don't know this person. Templates? What? Hold on. What did I just do? Who did I just put in there? Oh god, what did I just do? Anyways, yeah, do I know them? Anyways, Templos is good. He is also a C tier. He's gonna be... No, Templos... yeah, he is. He's a high C. Oh, wait, what? Girl, when did... GG... Trash client? Where did I put him? Dude, I hate this. Oh, okay, there he is. Anyways, I hate this, like, thing. Trash client, we're gonna put him... The only time I played with him was in 2v2v2v2s, and... yeah. I don't know him well enough to rank him, actually. I'm not gonna do it. I've never even, like... Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Yes, I have. He's good. Obviously, he has a lot of wins, but... Trigger's better than Az, though, right? Yeah. So he's a B. He's better than. Well, he beat me today, so yeah, let's say he's better than me. Vitality. Oh yeah, he's okay. Me and Vital have literally the best chemistry ever. We win every game, just so you know. Where am I gonna put Vital? He's low B, high C. Could put him right here. I'm gonna put him first C. Yeah. Don't know them. Don't know them. My buddy. Yeah, he's up there. My boy Wes is good. He's really, really good. Whole lot of red. I'm not gonna rank him. Will OCN. Probably. Yeah. Willy Web. He's not a low D, but he's probably first D, yeah, okay. Ark and Zentai? Huh. Who? Alright, y'all. And this is it. This is the bridge tier list. This is the official bridge tier list. Everyone on here, this is literally like what your rank is based on like how good you are. So like if you're on a lower tier, that means you are bad, and if you're on a higher tier, that means you are good. There is no like opinion base about this. This is literally just facts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video though. Thank you. Bye.